Okay, what we're going to be doing now is just adding some Hypershade to this. Now before we go on, just make sure that you are working in your project folder. Alright, so you may have to do it down here. Alright, probably set it. Alright, and just make sure that you've got it 3D. Set it like so. Alright, so you've got your folder set up now. Now you should just be able, now the other thing we should do, just have a look. Again, make sure that your scenes, if you download this file, put your USB inside the scenes folder and your images inside the source images folder. Okay, so they're the basics. Now we should just start. Alright, now what we want is this little button here. It's the Hypershade. Alright, there it is, the Hypershade. Click on that. Now we're just only going to be looking at three basic ones. They're the Lambert, the Fong, and the Blin up here. Okay, so they're just the three you want. Very simple. All we've got to do, let's just click onto this Lambert. Alright, and we should have a Lambert just appearing now. Alright, down here, it's saying on mine Lambert 10. Just double click. Alright, now over here you're going to have the attributes. Now, just going to go give it a name, my color. Alright, and just down here you can see that we've got the we can add a color. So I'm just going to click on that and give it a color. I'll give something pretty garish. There we go. So there's my color. I've got it selected. Now I can just select on a shape, and now I can just use the right mouse button and assign material to selection. Alright, so there you've got your, I've just added a color. Now you can add, you can just use your shift key to select more than one shape. So now I've got them all. Alright, and what I'm going to do is just assign material to selection. Okay, there I go. Alright, having trouble with this mouse button. Alright, lovely. Okay, there's that. Now let's go for a Blin. Okay, I'll just put in a Blin, and I'm just going to call this one here my Blin. Again, don't use the space button. Alright, and I'm just going to select these balls. Oops. Alright, right mouse button, assign to selection. Alright, so just by doing that, if I double click on my Blin, alright, if I save all the colors, so because they're all on the one shader, I'm able to change all colors at once. Alright, there we go. Now I don't want these my blueprints to be showing. What I need to do, press Ctrl A for my attributes, but then I just go up and press this button here. Okay, that's my channel box. Now, go to these probably next week, but what I want is my layers down here. Now I've just set this up for this file. Alright, here's my reference layer. If I just click on the show hide, there we go. Alright, I can just hide it like so. Alright, and just the final thing we'll do is, hang on, I'll just give it a little bit of a border. Alright, just go up here and click on my render. Alright, and there's my render. Very simple, and that's how you can add Hypershade to your image.